Hello friend, today we will reveal the secret of automatic serial number in Microsoft Excel. Usually we write number manually one by one, or we use 1 and 2 combination and drag to add a serial number. But now I will show you the shortcut in formula which you can use to write automatic serial number. Here is the if formula. We will add is equal if b1 is equal quotation mark start and quotation mark end, comma. If the value is true, quotation mark start, we will give it space and then quotation mark close, comma. We will use second formula row, row, and click on the number 1 serial and close the bracket. We will double close here because we use more than one formula, so we will add one more bracket. Now we will drag this formula to down and we will apply in all the sheet. Now you can use the formula in formula bar, and when we will write in column B, you can see that automatic serial number is generating by Excel. So by this, please like and share the video. Thanks.